By utilizing Google Translate alone, you can actually make $10, $12, $25, or even $50 every 15 minutes. This approach is now totally free and will function everywhere. The website we will be using will pay us every day, which is the nicest part about it. So, in a literal sense, you can earn money now and withdraw it tomorrow. Additionally, there is a $1 minimum payment requirement. So let's begin right away. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Start by searching for Google Translate on Google. Basically, you can make $10 to $50 every 15 minutes using Google Translate. Let's head to Google Translate now, where you can write whatever you want to be translated into another language into this box. I'm translating in Dutch right now. How are you? It will be translated into Dutch. So now that you are familiar with using Google Translate, let's go to another website, cpagrip.com, which is this one right here. Now simply click the register button to be directed to this page, where you must complete all the required fields. When you connect into your account, your dashboard will appear as seen below. As you can see, there are users of CPA Grip who earn more than $250,000. You can tell that this network is reliable because it will pay you well. All that is left for you to do is come to this payment center. So all that remains is for us to begin using CPA Grip. So all we need to do is choose the offer tools first. Then choose a CPA offer with a slightly larger payoff on CPA Grip from one of the best European nations that doesn't really speak English. After that, you can essentially choose any of these CPA services. This website is now known as shortener.com. As an illustration, if you obtain views from Greenland, you will be compensated $50. If you obtain views from Iceland, you will be compensated $30, and so on. Simply visit shortener.com and create a new account. After logging in, the dashboard will appear as seen in the following image. It's called My Dashboard. The next step is to paste your affiliate link from CPA Grip over here by clicking New Shortened Link up here. Then choose something incredibly straightforward for the pseudonym. Make sure there is no expiration date entered. After that, simply select Shorten. And your abbreviated URL will be this. Just copy this URL before going to the next website, publisher.linkvertise.com, which is located right here. This website functions similarly to a link shortener, but in addition, it will advertise your link on its search engine. In essence, it serves as a ready-made traffic source. Therefore, simply visit publisher.linkvertise.com, register, and create a free account. When you log in, you will see something similar. As you may have noticed, I've already earned $1 on this account simply by sharing a link, and it only took a few seconds. The next step is to simply paste the abbreviated URL from shortener into the Create a Link box above, and then click this button over here. Next, copy the CPA offers headline and paste it here. That's it for today. Please share and subscribe. And press the bell icon for more updates.